Welcome to our geography class. In last videos we completed 4 lesson. Here now let us start the 5th lesson, natural vegetation and wildlife. The name of our 5th lesson is natural vegetation and wildlife. In this lesson, comparison between the Brazil and India, natural vegetation and wildlife, between the difference between the Brazil and India. Here figure 5.1, you see student, flora and fauna of Brazil. First point is Brazil, flora and fauna of Brazil. Observe the images shown in figure 5.1 and discuss on basis of the following points. Here some pictures and some bird animals in these pictures. Can you tell the names of the plants, trees shown in the images? Students, see here and name the plants, trees and shows in images. Here the cactus, you see cactus, coffee and rubber. 3 plants in these images. Then next, where have you seen those plants before? Where have you seen these plants before? Brazil. Name the fauna shown in the images. Here under the fauna, flora. Name the fauna shown in the images. Leopard, anaconda, a cobra snake, like a cobra snake. Leopard and the bird shown in the figure 5.1. In figure 5.1 we seen the flora and fauna of Brazil. You might have recognized the species shown above and discuss about them because there is similarity between them and many Indian species, but these species are found in Brazil. Here student, you see in the figure 5.1 flora and fauna of Brazil. Because you might have recognized the species shown above and discuss about them. You might have recognized the species shown above and discuss about them. Flora and fauna, because there is similarity between them and many Indian species, but these species are found in Brazil. Look for their names. Now we will study about the variety of flora found in the Brazil. Now we will study about the variety of flora found in Brazil. In figure 5.2, student, here see the figure 5.2, rainfall, flora and fauna of the Brazil has been shown in the cross profile along with physiography. The changes occurring in the above elements while going from north to south is clearly seen here. Discuss about this in the class and write a note down it. Here student, figure 5.2, physiography, natural vegetation and wildlife. Here in this figure 5.2, Guiana Highlands, Amazon Basin, Parana Basin and Brazil Highlands. Here students, coastal plain. Here in this figure, temperature, rainfall, flora and fauna. In this figure contains flora and fauna, physiography, natural vegetation and wildlife. Next point is geographical explanation. Our next point is geographical explanation, Brazil vegetation. In Brazil, rainfall varies due to the physiography. In Brazil, rainfall varies due to physiography. In most part of the equatorial region, it rains throughout the year. As one moves away from equator, the number of rainy days as well as amount of rainfall reduce. Here rainfall decrease. Why? As one moves away from the equator, number of rainy days as well as amount of rainfall reduce. This affects the life cycle of the vegetation too. The rainfall reduce, this affects the life cycle of the vegetation also. Evergreen forests are found in the area where it rains throughout the year. Evergreen forests are found in the area where it rains throughout the year. In regions which receives rainfall only during certain season. You know student, in India, rainfall in some specific season. In this way, in region which receive rainfall only during certain season, the density of the vegetation reduce. Density of vegetation reduce. In that region, rainfall during certain season, vegetation also reduce. Instead of forest, various types of grasses, short shrubs, thorny vegetation, etc. are found. Brazil has largest number of vegetation species in the world. Students, Brazil has the largest number of vegetation species in the world. This includes evergreen vegetation, semi-evergreen, arid, etc. One finds trees like Paul Brazil, rubber, mahogany, rosewood and variety of orchids. Because of evergreen rainforest in Brazil, there is a large amount of oxygen that is released in the environment. Students, due to the evergreen rainforest, of course, oxygen released in the environment. Because of the evergreen rainforest in Brazil, there is large amount of oxygen that is released in the environment. This helps to reduce carbon dioxide level. You know, student, oxygen that this helps to reduce carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. Therefore, these rainforests are highly called the lungs of the world. Students, here Brazil's. Therefore, these rainforests are highly called as lungs of the world. Here, student, complete our point Brazil visitation.